Hello friends, today we are going to install an aftermarket head unit in isuzu dmax. So the problem is it does have a factory camera here, and we are thinking to use this factory camera with the aftermarket head unit. So this is the Android head unit, a plug and play one we are going to use with this. So there's nothing a big problem with the wiring of this Android head unit, but yeah, reverse camera. So far I found that this screen connector, yeah, it does have the connection for camera, and in this white wire, which is second wire from right side, is containing the 12 volt for camera, and reverse trigger is one of this black wire here. So once I'll make all this connection, I'll explain to you guys, and yeah, so anyone after that can use this factory camera with an aftermarket head unit.
This search Thrive today. You can find the cheapest unleaded for $1.53.9 a litre.
So here is final installation. We all installed the head unit, and I will show you the camera wiring in a while after this factory camera is working. But you have noticed like the lines from factory camera got disappeared. They were probably inside the head unit, because most of aftermarket camera have built-in guidelines inside. As customer requested, we installed this one of mirror reverse camera as well, dash cam recorder. So it's gonna be on always. And this head unit does have a built-in Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and also have a built-in navigation as well. Or you can connect it to Wi-Fi to install any maps or apps you like. So now I'll show you the wiring for camera. So I have finally made all the connections, and I'll explain you here in a while. So as I shown you that white 8-pin connector, which is containing the reverse trigger. So if this connector, the wire side facing towards you, from left the second one, which is a black wire here, but in your case this color could be different, that provides the reverse trigger for head unit, going to this pink wire. Usually it's always pink, or in some cases it could be brown in Chinese head unit, or purple and white in most of branded head units. So that's the only one we need from this one. This is a white pin connector, 8-pin. Now the second connector, which I shown you before, this green one here. So this green one is a bit tricky, as I shown you. From if these wires are facing towards you from left side, the second white one, you have to provide 12 volts here, which I provided from this connector, ACC one, red one. Like when your ignition switch is on, it provides 12 volts straight to this camera. Then the third pin is actually your video signal, which is a black wire here. Sorry, it got a bit messed up here. So yeah, sorry you can't see it clearly, but that black wire, I tap this my RCA connector, which usually all of the market head unit takes. So the positive of this central one is the positive connected to this black wire, and this fourth pin is actually the ground. So I connect it to ground of with my car head unit or negative 12 volt, wherever you find you can. Yeah, you just have to do it to negative 12 volt or ground or common, whatever you prefer. Now there is this red and pink wire left. So as I told you before that the guiding lines got disappear and they are not working with this. So I have tried both with this, making them ground. I'm not sure what kind of signal they are taking, but doesn't matter much for me because the camera at least working fine. So that's what I wanted. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And yeah, unless you are not going to subscribe my channel, I won't able to bring up more videos like this. Thanks again for watching.